flush out toxins. Ingredients: coriander, turmeric, lemon, garlic. 1. Turmeric. Turmeric contains an active compound called curcumin, which has been widely studied for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It may support liver function and assist in reducing oxidative stress in the body. 2. Lemon. Lemons are an excellent source of vitamin C, which is known for its antioxidant properties. Drinking lemon water may help with hydration, support digestion, and provide a refreshing flavor. 3. Coriander. Cilantro. Coriander is rich in antioxidants and may help support digestion by relieving bloating and gas. 4. Garlic. Garlic is recognized for its potential immune-boosting properties and contains sulfur compounds that have been linked to detoxification processes.